Okay, I'm Srujan and I'm going to sing a Telugu song. Telugu is one language in South India. Just I want to give some introductory details about this song. It's written by a leading 20th century Telugu poet called Sri Sri. He's considered one of the prominent personalities in modern Telugu literature, and it was originally sung by a legendary singer called Ghantasala, who is known for being the leading background voice for most of the old Telugu movies of the golden era of the Indian cinema, like late 40s to 60s, and also he has sung a lot of devotional songs, Telugu translation of Bhagavad Gita, etc. Anyways, so the song is a slow romantic one wherein a person describes the importance of having the right partner who can understand you, your mind and your life, and recognize with yourself. Just before I start singing, I just wanted to say there are some, you might observe some unique characteristics in Telugu language, like whenever in Telugu songs or otherwise, which make it sound mellifluously. This is because almost every word ends with a vowel, and you would hardly find consonant sounds without being immediately supported by a vowel sound in most of the Telugu words. And and no wonder some 19th century British authors have also termed Telugu as Italian of the East. Although I do not want to be proud of the title, because I don't want my language to be called by some Western language. Manasuna manasai Bratukuna bratukai Manasuna manasai Bratukuna bratukai Todo karundina Ade bhagyamu Ade swargamu Manasuna manasai Bratukuna bratukai Todo karundina Ade bhagyamu, ade swargamu. ఆశలు తీరని ఆవేశములో ఆశయాలలో ఆవేదనలో చీకటి మూసిన ఏకాంతములో తోడొకరుండిన అదే భాగ్యము అదే స్వర్గము. నిన్నుగా ప్రేమించుటకు నీ కోసమే కన్నీరు నించుటకు నిన్నుగా ప్రేమించుటకు నీ కోసమే కన్నీరు నించుటకు నేనున్నానని నిండుగా పలికే తోడొకరుండిన అదే భాగ్యము అదే స్వర్గము. చెలిమియ కరువై వలపే అరుదై చెదరిన హృదయమే శిలై పోగా నీ వ్యధ తెలిసి నీడగా నిలిచి తోడొకరుండినా అదే భాగ్యము, అదే స్వర్గము. మనసున మనసై బ్రతుకున బ్రతుకై తోడొకరుండినా అదే భాగ్యము, అదే స్వర్గము. Thank you.